All right, seventh graders, we are going to do another little fun project just for a way to allow me to get to know you guys a little better. And also, you're going to be learning how to use iMovie if you don't already know. So, we're going to do a thing called My Three Words Project. And I got this from Good Morning America. I don't know if you guys have ever heard that. It's a news show that's on in the mornings. And they had people send in videos or pictures highlighting an event or something that was going on in 3 words. I'm going to let you watch the video. I'm not going to watch it right now, but it's about a 2-minute video, and Good Morning America goes through this. And so this is where I got my idea. So you can watch the video, and that should maybe give you a little idea of what's going on. Then what I did actually is included some Central City students, and I'll just go ahead and I'll play this, but I'll share this slideshow with you so that you can actually watch these yourself. But this is one. Okay, so you'll notice I'm gonna share this, like I said, I'm gonna share this slideshow with you. And I've got some other examples on here from other Central City kids. And I'll just say this, as you go through them, you'll notice that some potentially are better than others. I'm looking for creativity. I'm looking for maybe sound effects, music. The one that I showed you, he had sound effects in his video. The more creative you can be, the better, versus somebody who shows up last minute, stands outside the school or stands outside the room and just holds up their 3 words. All right, so you'll see some examples. Some of these examples are really good, and a couple of the examples are not so good. So like I said, I want you to watch this video, then I'm going to share the slideshow with you so you can actually click and watch the videos. There's no time limit. You'll notice that a couple of these were 17 seconds, a couple are 30 seconds, and then I've had probably some that are 10 seconds. And the other thing is, you probably will have to do this project outside of school. So today I want you to watch this video, then I want you to go to the slideshow, watch those examples, then I want you to brainstorm and think about what your 3 words are. So the 3 words are going to be something about you. So for instance, I like animals, and I could say, I love pets, or here are my pets, or sports. You've seen some sports ones. I love basketball. I love football. Or be creative. My family's the best. Okay, so you guys decide how you want to share your 3 words with me in a iMovie video. All right, so that's what we're going to work on. So like I said, today, brainstorm about what you want to do, and maybe see if your teachers have construction paper, or you might have to try to get some of those supplies on your own. And I'm going to give you a couple days here, and then I'll probably throw out another assignment on Thursday. So I'm going to give you today and tomorrow to kind of work on this. And if you've got questions, make sure you ask. All right, so My 3 Words project using iMovie.